Hello everyone and welcome to Unleash.
And I'm Isha.
I'm Anshu. So in this video we thought of answering a major question, which is to identify which is your skin type.
Yes, and actually अब स्किन केयर इंडस्ट्री इतनी बड़ी हो गई है that a lot of us actually are so confused कि हमारी स्किन टाइप actually है कैसी, because we see so many videos online on reels, shorts, YouTube, everywhere that there's a lot of information out there and it can get difficult to see कि आपकी स्किन actually है कैसी.
And in order to buy all these products you have to identify कि आपकी स्किन है कौन सी. कि आपकी स्किन ऑयली है, सेंसिटिव है, dry है, combination है कैसी.
So since we have been to dermatologists so many times, we have gained quite a lot of knowledge on this topic, and we thought of sharing this with you guys as well.
Yeah, so it's a very small procedure to identify which is your skin type, and that's what we're going to tell you.
So the first step is that you take any gentle cleanser, and we would recommend for Indians to go for the Himalayan neem face wash. So the Himalayan neem face wash is actually quite gentle, so it's not really moisturizing and neither it is too dry. So this can give you this can be the right indicator to see what your skin type is.
Yeah, now once you washed your face with the cleanser, अब आप बाहर आएंगे और 1 hour तक फेस पे कुछ भी नहीं लगाएंगे. So like for 1 hour you don't have to go out also from your home, but also like in the premises of your home you have to stay without applying any cream or moisturizer or any of that sort, right?
So after the 1 hour you see what is the result of this procedure on your skin. If you see कि आपकी skin पे बहुत ज़्यादा oil आ गया है, like it's really shiny, this means that you have oily skin.
Yeah. So if your skin becomes really dry and flaky, that means you have dry skin.
And if you see कि आपकी skin कहीं से oily है and कहीं पे dry है, like T-zone is getting oily, the other areas are dry, this means that you have combination skin type, and there's another skin type which is the normal skin type.
So basically normal skin type people are the ones that are blessed by the God. So basically those are the ones जिनको चाहे दुनिया में कुछ भी हो, कोई सा भी मौसम आए, कितनी भी धूप छाँव कुछ भी हो, उनकी स्किन पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. And so after in this procedure उनकी skin एकदम normal रहेगी.
Yeah, and that's actually the best skin type
actually.
Yeah. And there's also another way to determine what your skin type is. So अभी इंडिया में monsoon चल रहा है, and India is also quite a humid country. So if you don't apply anything for 1 hour, you can see कि आपकी skin पे बहुत sweat आने लगा है. So that can really cause a lot of confusion to see कि अगर आपकी skin पे sweat है या फिर oil है. So what you can do is you can look in the mirror, and अगर आपकी skin पे बहुत सारे pores हैं, like open pores हैं, this means that you have an oily skin type.
Yeah, and if your pores are quite small, and if your pores are quite small, that means you have normal to dry skin.
Yes, the smaller the pore, the drier the skin is.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the rule. So this is the only way to determine what your skin type actually is. We can see so many videos कि ये देखो वो देखो, but this is the simplest way to tell what your skin type actually is.
Yeah, and without any extensive cost. Like
yeah,
you don't
right.
have to buy anything and then see कि मेरी skin type है कौन सी.
Yeah, because these days markets में बहुत सारे procedures and scams आ रखे हैं, so don't fall in trap for them. So another fact that we wanted to share with you guys is that you might have heard the term dehydrated and sensitive a lot, that I have dehydrated skin or I have sensitive skin. So this is actually not skin type, this is skin condition. Yeah, so anyone can have sensitive skin. It doesn't mean कि आपकी oily skin है तभी sensitive होगी या dry है तभी sensitive होगी. Anyone can have sensitive skin.
So like if I have oily skin, I can also have sensitive skin. If I have dry skin तो मेरी sensitive भी हो सकती है, and that goes along for every skin.
And there's another myth कि अगर आपकी oily skin है, this means आपकी skin बहुत hydrated है, but this is actually not true, because when your skin is actually dehydrated, आपकी skin अगर oily है तो बहुत ज़्यादा oil produce करती है to compensate for that lack of moisture. So actually our skin can react to dehydration in 2 ways. It can either secrete a lot of oil or it can not secrete at all, so that would make it dry skin.
So which also means कि ये सब हमारी skin का reaction है to make it extreme oily or extreme dry. So
this
all
is
of
why
our skin are actually dehydrated. ये उसी का reaction है.
And this is why it's really important that you moisturize your skin adequately.
Even if you have oily skin.
Yeah. So that's it for the video. It was quite a short and simple video, but it was also quite helpful.
Yeah, I'm sure about that.
Yeah. So we hope you guys found this video helpful.
So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Yeah. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram. My Insta is 99_Isha.
And mine is Anshu Bohit, anshu.bohit. I also upload lots of content on my Instagram on daily basis. So if you would like to just scroll and just,
Check out,
check my profile, so you can.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.